with part 3, how to do tuck mounts. Welcome to the transferring of the old valve pipe system, watering system to a new one. So the next step is what we do is we turn back on the main valve. This is a tool that Alberto created by himself, and this turns this valve on. And what you do? Oh, okay. I probably need 2 hands to do this. That's what you do. I think that's how you do it. You know how easy it was with this thing? Look at this. Special for that. Can you hear it? So I just want to make sure I did it the right way. Hey, what's happening? How you doing? Sorry, you need to come over here? Yeah, go for it. What does that do?
Just try for the insect.
Oh, for the insects?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Does it work? Is it good? Does that work?
It's organic, but it's okay.
Yeah. I wish I had the money to do that.
Like 28, the little container.
Yeah. This guy's, he's got a lot of money to be able to do that. It's just me and my dad.
Oh.
Yeah.